Hello viewers, good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to use the formula average, okay, in Microsoft Excel file. So you see here is average, average A, average if, and average ifs. Now I'm going to show you one by one. Averages, the formula is like very simple. The summation of the value and divided by the quantity. So we do not do by one, we just use the formula here. As you see, equal average, select average, and then select the score value. Okay, I select this whole column. So this is the average of the score. Okay, but if you want to specifically want to know the score, here I show the class or grade of the students. Like here is the class 8 students score 79 from St. Joseph. From Notre Dame, class 9 grade students score 90, like this. Okay, there is the school name, there is the students from which grade, and this is their score. Okay, so there is a lot of value. So we want to get if we want to know specifically the class 8 or 9, in that case we have to input the reference value. Okay, in that case we need to use the average if. As you see here you see I put okay, I show you again. Okay, like for example grade 9. Okay, so I want to get the average score of grade 9. So what I do, equal average if. Why I'm using if, because I'm giving one reference value. Okay, one condition. Okay, I want to know the average of only the student from 9th grade. Okay, so average if, tab, select the class first, comma, then I put 8, 9, or 10. What do you want actually? Okay, for we want 9. Okay, comma, then again comma, then we select the score value. Okay, value. So 83.7. Okay, so this is grade 9. So if we want grade 10, then what will be it? Like very simple, average if. Okay, select the reference column, comma, 10, comma, select the whole value, corresponding value. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this way we know how to get the average value of according to reference. Okay, average, comma, 8, comma, and range value. Okay, okay, so now we'll go for example, if we want another table. For example, average score of class 8 from St. Joseph, Notre Dame, MGBHS. Average score of class 9 and corresponding school wise. Okay, so in that case what do you do? In that case we need to apply the average if formula. So how we use the formula? Here I already show. So let already I calculate. So let's show you again. As you see here, I select the table averages formula, then table of the score, then table of the class, then the grade, and the school name is column B. As you see here, column B. So I select column B. Okay, so I show you again, like for average ifs. School, class 8, now okay, show you again. Average ifs, sorry, average ifs. Okay, select the score first. Okay, score first, comma, then class, comma, then what do you want? 8, right? 8, comma, then we select the range of the school names. Okay, comma, now we put the value what we want. Okay, for here we want like Saint Joseph, so we can write down in Saint Joseph in between inverted comma, or we can directly select the cell. Okay, first we do like this. As you see, we get the value. Okay, for class 9 we do the same. We can copy the whole formula, paste here, just change this one. So we can change it to Notre Dame, or sorry, not this one, where we actually using for class 9, so no need to change everything, just change the value 8 to 9, then enter. Good. Then again we change the value 8 to 10. Okay, so this is the average score of class 8, 9, 10 respectively of Saint Joseph School. Okay, here I already calculate the same formula I use here, using to show so that you can apply. Okay, this is the case. So this can be done very easily. Okay, you can use this one. For example, for class 8 I want to know the Notre Dame. Okay, so just paste and just change here. Okay, select. Okay, we can write down the Notre Dame in between the inverted comma, or we can directly select these cells. For example, I select B67, enter. You see the same value appears. Okay, the same thing here. I put N65 and here I B67 like this, N65 this one. So this way actually we can calculate the average ifs. Okay, the same result will come. Now the last one, what I miss, maybe you noticed, average A. Average A is actually you see the, for example, like here I already use the formula. As you see, average of this. Okay, you see the value. But what is average A? Average A is like, for example, if you see here is all this, the value is the numeric number, but if something is omit, the value will definitely reduce. I think you noticed this one. Okay, so in that case, what will be the average A? No, average A. I select the column. You see the value is same, but if this is not empty, it's for example in capital like A, like this, or B, or something like this. In that case, you see the average value is 78.6, but the average A is 70, less than the average. Okay, why? Because in average A they calculate this cell also, so the overall total sum up divided by the cell number, here is 20 cells, so total sum up divided by 20 cell is equal to 70.8. But in average it only counts the numeric value, so the sum of this one divided by the 18. That's why the value is, as you see here, average value is 78.6, but the average A is 70.8. So this is it. So in my way of thinking, I think I don't see any use of this one in our regular life, but this average if, and average if, this three is very important. Okay, this three is very important. So still, if you have any confusion, please let me know. I can help you instantly. So thank you for staying with me and watching this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.